All right, boss man here. All right, this is the second to the last stop on our state series tour. When we were at Kettering BMX, they did pretty much a whole track rebuild. So we're gonna look at this track before I get on it. It's looking really dialed.
I begin to
All right, that was the track preview. Just to walk around. Track looks really good. I haven't been here probably maybe 2 years, and it looks really good. Better than it did in the past few years. I mean, especially look at that turn, the first turn. It took out the asphalt and pushed it way back against the fence, which definitely opened up the track more. And that third turn down there is definitely a lot wider, so you can actually go in there now more than just one rider deep. So, all right, I'm about to put on my helmet. I'm gonna ride the track now.
I begin to ready, 1K.
Review. We're gonna talk to Mr. Bradford about this track. We ain't been here for like 3 or 4 years.
Only coasted around once.
Only once?
That's what I'm saying, give me a chance.
Oh man, well I went around 3 or 4 times. We'll come back to him. But as far as me, track's good. It just, I'm not gonna complain about the track. I'm just gonna say the hard part is coming out of that first turn to get speed, at least for me. These little guys seem to be able to get a lot of speed out of this first turn. I'm cranking my butt off and I can't get anything out of this first turn. And it is definitely uphill for the second straight. But I mean, the track it's nice. I mean, it is a lot better than what it used to be.
watch the gate. Riders ready, watch the gate.
And Ellis, 21-25 expert starting today right here. Red 6 right. Sutton gonna get the win. Ellis gonna grab that.
And what do we spy over there? So that was my first moto, but who cares about that right now? Look, in the distance, right there. It's an icy truck. That's where I'll be.
Oh yeah. Good one going on right now. Brown, Bonzo, Brown, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 4. Down on that last, there they go. Marysville, Reddies, 1 and 2.
Ray, what are you doing?
He quit. Adams and Bradford all tied up at 5.
That boy got it.
Marysville riders going 3 and 4 right now, but it's all Sutton popping his way into that second sort of super fast right now. Sonny Bond going to 4.
Okay, riders, random start. Riders
1, 2,
ready,
4,
watch the gate.
Brown.
Ray trying to push it into her.
Yeah, I was like, here comes Ray.
Yeah, he's like,
I saw you look, you were like, oh, you heard.
I looked back, yeah.
You heard the tires, didn't you?
heard the tires coming.
Like,